guys. Why am I so excited? I have a bonus that I don't even think I'm a hit. I have a larger bonus that I know I'm not gonna hit. So listen, if you're new here, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So I need 18 offers for 5. It's probably not gonna happen. The larger bonus is the fireworks something extravaganza, whatever. I need 55 offers for 10.
So the only way I'm gonna be able to hit that is if I split it into halves, because it's good to the 14th. So if I could do half this week and half next week, I might be able to hit it. Well, I mean, actually, wait a minute. Today is the 5th. Technically, no, that's less than a... It's not gonna happen. That's less than a week. That's right, because today is the 5th. You guys will probably be seeing this on the 6th. And at that point, we'll still have a week left. So it's not gonna happen.
That was easy. It is not gonna happen. In the comments, what did you guys get though? So listen, the thing about, when you don't have to reach, you don't have a goal, you know what I mean? You can just kind of do what you want. It's freeing, you know what I mean? You just go and you just do the deals you want to do and you just keep it moving. So that's what the goal is today. Now I'll probably go to Sprouts. You guys know we have a Sprouts up here now, and I have a couple deals from Sprouts. They are both social nature deals though, so I'll go and knock those out, and then I may go to Target as well. But I'm finding with Ibotta being so flipping slow right now that it's like, in order to hit your bonus, like you have to go to multiple stores. Like you have to rely on the drugstores and the grocery stores as well as Walmart just to hit the bonus. But even with that, I don't think I'm gonna hit it. And so I'm not even gonna stress over it. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. But other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. Hell, Walmart, Sprouts, Target, CVS, Walgreens. We're gonna head over to wherever. And so if you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Barilla Pesto, priced at $3.82. Bam. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. There's also 75 cents on Fetch Reward with a limit of 1. $1.50 back on Alexa. I think it's on Shop Meme. I gotta check. And then $1.50 on Inbox Dollars. It'll make it a 68-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Brainiac Bahrain applesauce pouches. They're priced at $7.78. My area, they only have the 10 count and the orange one. I was looking for the green one, but we're gonna grab this one here. Again, priced at $7.78. There is an offer on, you know what? I see an offer on Ibotta too. Ooh, look. Look. And then there's an offer on Social Nature, making it free. Let me check Ibotta. I didn't even check Ibotta. Well, it's definitely on Walmart Rewards, so even if it's not on Ibotta, but I'm assuming it's on Ibotta since it's on Walmart Rewards. So let's see, because I didn't even check. It might be a $1.50 moneymaker. Yep, a $1.50 moneymaker. Ooh, don't you just love when that happens? So we're gonna grab one at $7.78, get that back on Social Nature, and then we'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. Grabbing this stem again. It's priced at $4.62. One of you guys was saying that it hasn't been working for you, or it hasn't been scanning for you, but I have been grabbing it every time, and it has been working for me. It also is for Walmart Rewards too, so if you want to do Walmart Rewards, then you could do that one as well. But it has been working for me. So you can grab one at $4.62. You get back $2.50 on Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, either or. And you'll also get back $2.50 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are to that. I also had it on Alexa and Shop Me. I'm already done those already. So it's going to make this a 38-cent moneymaker. Next deal is on the Whole Earth. I did this deal before, but now it's on Ibotta. It's on the 80 count, priced at $6.18. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You're going to pay $12.36 out of pocket to get back $2 for each one Ibotta. Now be careful with this one because with Walmart rewards, it's only $1. But with Ibotta, you're getting back $2 for each one, and then $6 on Swagbucks. It makes them $118 each. I did have an offer for aisles, but I think mine's expired already. Next deal is on the muscle milk. It's on the plant-based ones. They are priced at $4.18. There's a 50% offer, which is $2.10 back on Ibotta, limit of 5, making them only $2.08, which is definitely not bad. I think I'm gonna grab one of each. Who remembers this deal, you guys? I wish this deal could come back because this mango one right here, this mango tango one, is so freaking good. Favorite, favorite, favorite. And so, yeah. So this next deal is on the Bubbly Burst Sparkling Water Beverage. They are priced at 98 cents. For this, you want to grab 2, you'll pay $1.86, getting back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. Brings these down to only 48 cents each. Okay, so I was debating whether or not I wanted to do the Gatorade water. The liter bottle is priced at $1.98, so 2 of them is going to cost $3.96. Only thing is, it didn't actually scan on Swagbucks for me, and it didn't scan on Alexa, but it does work on Ibotta. I'm pretty sure that I'll get it on Swagbucks though, so that would be getting back $2, because I'm not going to bother trying to put a ticket in with Alexa. So it'd make them like 98 cents. Still is on the budding deli meat. They're priced at 87 cents for this. You want to grab a total of 5 of them. You'll end up paying $4.35. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Alexa, $1 on Swagbucks, and there's also $1 on Checkout 51, bringing these down to only 14 cents each. Okay, so next up is the I Can't Believe It's Not Butter. They have a garlic one right here. They're out of at the store. It's priced at $3.98. Getting back what? It's getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Alexa, $1 on Swagbucks. It makes it 98 cents. But this store doesn't have any of that one. The original one, the Ibotta offers only 75 cents. So it'd make that like 123. And so yeah, that's actually not really bad considering it's normally $4. I'm also gonna be grabbing this stem again. It's priced at $4.62. One of you guys was saying that it hasn't been working for you. Or it hasn't been scanning for you, but I have been grabbing it every time and it has been working for me. It also is for Walmart rewards too, so if you want to do Walmart rewards, then you could do that one as well. But it has been working for me. So you can grab one at $4.62. You get back $2.50 on Ibotta or Walmart rewards, either or. And you'll also get back $2.50 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. I also had it on Alexa and ShopMe. I'm already done those already. So it's going to make this a 38-cent moneymaker. You saw my last video, you saw that we tried the Clorox wipes and it is still working. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. They're priced at $1.12. I'll end up paying $4.48 and then I'll get back $7 on inbox dollars, making all for a $2.52 moneymaker. Now I do have an offer on my points, but I think it's like my offer is like lower. It's like $2 and something. So I mean, it's still a tiny money maker, so I'll probably I think I'm just gonna get 2 sets. We'll get 1 set for inbox and 1 set for ta-da for now. And so yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be the last deal. So if you made it to the last deal, I don't know, give me a waving emoji in the comments if you got to the last deal. So for this, it's on the Arm & Hammer TheraBreath. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here. It's priced at $4.97. Well, that's the only one they have. So for this, we're going to grab a total of 2 of them. I wound up paying $9.94. I'll get back $4 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. There's also $1.50 on Alexa. I don't have this offer on ShopMe, and then there's also $1.50 for each one. Checkout 51. Now with Checkout 51, there is another offer there for $1.25 back when you buy one. I'm not sure if I'll get that one as well, but if we just get back the $1.50 offer, it'll make them only 72 cents each. Okay, one of the things I was looking for was the True Story organic grass-fed hot dogs, but they don't have them here. And this is probably the only location I can get them from. And then the other item that I was looking for is the coconut spread. They're priced at $10.49. The offer on Social Nature is right here. You're gonna get it back $9.99. So it's gonna cost 49 cents for that And then of course it has 3 different flavors. I bet that brownie one would have been good. But we're just gonna go ahead and get, ooh, they have it. I'm gonna get the brownie one. For 49 cents. And so, yeah. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. Look at my tiny little haul. Look, I only got 10 offers from Ibotta. So if 8 extra offers happen to fall into my lap by tomorrow, then we'll go ahead and that are good, you know, minus the $5 weekend bonus, then, you know, I'll go ahead and I'll go for it. But if not, then this is what it is, right? And so this worked out really good though. Pretty excited about this. Now I wanted to remind you guys really quick that Alexa is ending. Y'all know it is ending. The last day to submit receipts is October the 10th. And then they will no longer be adding any new offers to the app as of July 10th. So what, next week will be the last day that they will be adding new offers. So it sucks because I know like y'all, I love me some Amazon, and to be able to do rebates and have that go towards your Amazon balance has been really, really awesome. And so definitely gonna miss it. But this here haul worked out pretty good. It was pretty easy, y'all. I mean, I went yesterday and did 2 sets of the Clorox. I went back today to record and totally forgot to grab another set for my point. So if I go tomorrow, I'll grab it because it's been so hot lately. It's triple digits. Now it's 110 today. It's supposed to be triple digits for the next like 2 weeks. And so I'm gonna make this quick, but everything you see here retails $76.62. Getting back $17.77 from Social Nature. Ibotta is $15.70. Swagbucks is $12. Tada is $11. Inbox dollars was $7. Checkout 51 was $5.50. Alexa is $5. Fetch Your Wart was 75 cents. Last but not least, 30 cents from Brand Club. So we walk away with a total of $75.02 back in rebates, making everything you see here only $1.60, which is definitely not bad considering it was a small little haul. And I actually really wanted to try the protein shake, so I'm excited about that. Other than that, you guys, if you've watched to the end, our emoji for today is a sun because it's been so freaking hot. So I want to see suns in the comments if you made it to the end. We really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.